Okay, here's a clever, sneaky alternative way to sharpen a shot, and you can use higher radius and amount settings using the sharpening filters without getting so many halos around the edge using the next technique that I'm going to demonstrate. Now the problem with the halos is sharpening is applied to the red, green and blue channels at the same time, and that emphasizes and exaggerates artifacts. But if we can do something like change the mode to lab color, then we don't combine the RGB channels together and we can get a sharper shot without as many halos. Let me demonstrate by clicking on lightness. There we go, and we're now avoiding the RGB, so we're just sticking to this lightness channel. And if I go to filter, sharpen, smart sharpen, then I can use a little bit of a higher setting than we did for our smart sharpen tutorial on the other part of this CD. Let me just take radius down a little bit more. Now that's quite a high amount there, but we're not getting any of these dark halos showing up here. And even when we go back to the full lab color mode to see the color version, you can see that we've minimized halos. In fact, I can't really see anything noticeable around these pixels here. So that is the lab color version of our sharpened shot. Let me just undo that to see the original. Edit, undo. Very, very blurry indeed. And then redo. And we can get a sharper shot with higher amount and radius settings without so many halos. You can then pop back to the standard RGB mode if you're going to print the shot. And there we have it, a sharper shot with less halos.